Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Zanussi brand washing machine and you're getting an E21 error and you're wondering what is this error and how do I get rid of it. So first of all, if you're getting this error, you might notice even that your washing machine is full of water because the E21 error code is a drain error. So when the washing machine doesn't drain properly, it gives you this E21 error. So to get rid of the error, we need to get it draining properly. And this is usually happening for one of two reasons. One is your drain hose is either clogged or bent or kinked or something like that, and the water can't get out of your drain hose. And the second thing is your drain pump. So we'll look at the first one and the second one. So the first one, you just want to get in behind your washing machine, and sometimes when you install it or move it, you end up pushing the washing machine up against the wall, and that can kind of kink or bend or smash the drain hose, and water can't flow through it and can't drain. Another thing that can happen, and if you're just using the hose that came with the washing machine, this shouldn't be a problem, but the pump pumps the water up and out, but the pump is only so strong, so it can only pump the water so high. So if you're using any kind of extension on the hose, you might be overworking that pump and it's unable to pump the water out. And then the last thing I would check is where the hose goes into the drain. That hose should be in there snugly, but it shouldn't be way down in, like it shouldn't be more than 6 or 8 inches in there, and it should not be sealed. There needs to be airflow between the hose and the drain. So that that's all the things to check with the hose. And then one more thing is that you can unscrew it, and make sure there's nothing actually in the hose that's clogging it. The other thing that I would check is down, and depending on the model, it'll be in different spots. Down at the bottom, you'll have access to the drain pump. And the drain pump, what can happen is like a button can come off a shirt or a piece of debris like that. You can get sucked into the drain pump and prevent it from spinning properly. If it can't spin properly, it can't drain. So just make sure there's nothing blocking or jamming the pump from spinning. So if you're able to do those two things, you're almost certain to get your machine running again. So thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.